Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lorex camera, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Lorex camera and its components. Ensure you have all necessary items, including the camera, power adapter, and mounting hardware. Select an appropriate location for your camera, ideally facing the area you want to monitor. Use the mounting bracket to mark the drill holes on your wall. Drill the holes and insert the anchors if needed for stability. Attach the mounting bracket securely to the wall. Next, connect the power adapter to the camera. Route the power cable to a nearby power outlet. If your camera supports network connectivity, connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable. Download the Lorex security app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your camera by selecting Add Device. Scan the QR code displayed on the camera or enter its serial number manually. Adjust the settings as prompted, including camera name and location. Once the camera is recognized, confirm its connection by viewing the live feed on your device. If necessary, adjust the camera angle and position for optimal coverage. Ensure all connections are secure, and tidy up any excess cables. Save your settings and exit the app. Lastly, conduct a test to make sure the motion detection and notifications are functioning correctly. Your Lorex camera setup is now complete and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.